What up, guys? You probably haven't seen my last two videos, Killer Puppies and Killer Puppies 2. But apparently, I have been trying to fight them off for the past 4.5 hours. And they've locked me in this garage. That is my neighbor's garage. I've never even met these people. They left it open, and when I ran in, they closed it. Now I'm going to try to sneak out the back way into the backyard. See if it's clear. By the way, this is a Predator's mask. It's from one of their ancient originals. Holy crap, they found a way in. Holy shit. Fuck. Holy shit, here, fucking come. Come on, let's go. Damn it! Fuck! My legs! Shit! Oh crap! Oh my god! This guy is fucking crazy! Oh god, I'm stumbling. Fuck. They're dragging me.